one around. Nobody really cares for me. At least that's all I feel in this city. I wander through the crowds, but I'm alone again. What do I say when no one's listening? I walk this world all on my own. These empty nights feel like my home. I call for help, but no one ever hears a sound. I reach my hand, but there's no one around. I fade away inside myself. Tried everything to find some help, but every road just leads me back to where I fell. I'm still here fighting through this hell. I walk this world all on my own. These empty nights feel like my home. I call for help, but no one ever hears a sound. I reach my hand, but there's no one around. I can feel the current pull me in, losing track of where I've been. Every step a little closer to the edge, standing on a broken ledge. Voices echoing through the haze, counting down the final days. And I'm falling through the static now, can't remember why or how. Every signal fades to gray, let the tide take me away. Cascade down, and I'm weightless, nothing here can save this. Sinking deeper in the sound, let it pull me underground, where the silence wraps around. Cascade down. Energy pulls back, see memories like shattered glass flicker through, fade too fast, chasing shadows in the glow, drowning in the overflow. Every silence breaks the same, whisper softly, call my name. Maybe I'm too far to reach, maybe this is what